Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to create a custom staff timesheet in our new feature, custom templates in OnSync. So firstly, navigate to the main settings, to the main page, then to the section documents, and then open up document templates. Here you can see the list of all document templates. We'll add and create a new template. Firstly, you need to name it accordingly. And then you need to select which type of document you would like to create. You want to focus on staff timesheets. For beginner users, we recommend to start from the default template. For intermediate, you can start blank. After that, click Save. You will get to the document template editor. Here you can see the body in a HTML twig source code, and here you can see the template reference. Those we will need in order to create a new template in any of the available AI. For the purpose of testing, I will use Claude. So simply just select all this body and copy it to your trusty AI. Here you can see that I have already copied it, and you can see it over here. Also, we need to specify to our agent which type of reference he should use. For this, just simply copy all content of the document data, then follow up with the content of the settings, and then, like last one, allowed twig. Those three will help our agent to create our template accordingly. So navigate back to your agent, and here you can see that I have already copied the template reference, the settings, and the allowed twig. Right now, we need to give him the prompt how to edit and how to specify our timesheets according to our needs. So I stated him that I need for him to use modern black dark blue colors, and I want to add a new column profession, role, contact phone number to each staff member, and add also the name of the supervisor. And we keep him working. As you can see, he gave you new, edited, and better source code which we can use. So if we are satisfied with the results, sometimes we need to tell him and edit it and navigate him to better direction. You just simply press copy, navigate back to your OnSync, select all the previous default source code, simply delete that, and then copy the new one which AI has created. Press save button, and every change you do, you can check how does it look like with the preview button. Here we can see already edited new timesheet where we can see that the changes has been done successfully, and we can see next to each staff member the profession, role, the phone, and the supervisor. That's how you create a custom staff timesheet. Thank you.